pretty much it, isn't it?
Hello, here we are at the Okinawa Airsoft Legion Club.
Yes, it's amazing.
It's a very interesting setup they have here. I think this is by far the fanciest resting area I've ever been in.
Yeah, as we're about to throw up some side views, you can check out all the fancy kind of, I'm not even sure what you can call this, lounge clubby.
I don't know what
scene.
this is. Like, we were out last night with some good friends of ours, and they're likening this to that scene from 300 where
yes.
they're walking to meet Xerxes. I see it. I see it, right? So, Ryan, what did you think about the field?
So far, it's amazing, not just because of the field owners. They're amazing and they speak English and Japanese really well. And it's not just the field itself and the owners, but what really makes is the community down here.
Yeah.
A lot of people
Yeah.
from on base, families, so like active
Yeah.
duty contractors, anyone and everyone just coming down, having fun. So it's like you're playing it under one jewel, but with like a mix of Japanese play style and American play style. And it's
Yes,
just all about
yes,
fun,
yes,
right?
yes.
Everyone's pretty chill down here.
Yeah, the field itself also very interesting. It's got some lanes, but it's also got some pretty interesting room dynamic. So, you know, if you want that little bit of room clearance, you got it, right?
Yeah.
And it's always so refreshing playing with servicemen
Yeah.
that they kind of know the jargon, they know the lingo, they know the stack up,
Yeah.
they know where to go, and then the moment you take that corner, they just automatically say clear, and then you know you're good.
Yeah.
So it's actually quite refreshing to be able to get that.
Communication.
Yeah, I
Yes.
know, right? Communication is key.
And it helps with the field, right? Because a lot of fields in Japan, like as fun as they are, a lot of them just have random barricades set up everywhere. Whereas this place is one-to-one. It used to be a restaurant club back in the day. And instead of just putting random barricades everywhere, they just took the natural structure and infrastructure and just built a little extra to it. So you're actually fighting in real-sized rooms and it's not super tight.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And then you go in there, and then you actually have to think, like, where do I got to check? Do I have to, this corner, like your light discipline, you know, where are you shining your light? It really made playing here, and even though this is not a gigantic field, big props to the guys here at Legion Club for putting together a really good field. I mean, like, just check out the footage that's going on right now, as you have to bear with my voice. But, you know, there's really a whole lot of great environment and dynamic lighting where you actually need to use a flashlight in certain areas, and you have to pay attention. And I think that just adds to the overall experience of playing here.
Oh, and another thing that would help with a lot of fields is the way that they play games here. They're very, like I said, they're really interconnected with the community here, and they sometimes just ask them, what do you guys want to play? Do you guys want to do 3 lives, or do you want to do unlimited lives? And everyone's like, oh, I want to do unlimited lives. There's none of that one life stuff here.
And it's rock, scissors, paper to who gets what zone.
Yeah, so it's very
it's
like,
pretty cool.
like, what's the word, democratic. Like, hey, what do you guys want to do? You guys are the ones paying for it today. We'll
is
set up the
true.
game, provide the field, we'll give you a few options. What do you want to do? And everyone seems happy to at least have a few respawns or unlimited respawns.
That's true.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna leave you guys this segment with a cool walk around here on the field.
ご視聴ありがとうございます。新商品やパーツ組み込み動画はこちら。
And if you guys are looking for cool gameplay and entertainment content, don't forget to check out our international channel right here. Don't forget to subscribe. Yay!